What's up everybody, my name is Phil and welcome to Miranda Detailing, where we make satisfying detailing videos. So in today's video, we're going to show you how you wash, clay bar, and seal your vehicle, as well as protecting your plastic trim. So Lithium is a newer company that just dropped an amazing line of products. So we're going to be showing you how you wash and protect your vehicle's paint with Seal and Squeal. Now this is a paint sealant, it's a synthetic formula, and it says it protects up to 12 months. Now, realistically, in the real world, if your vehicle is sitting outdoors, perhaps 6 to 8 months if it's well maintained. If it's garage, you'll most likely get the full 12 months out of this product. Now with trim serum, this is designed to protect your exterior black trim. Any detailer knows that if you're not taking care of that black exterior trim, it's going to get faded, and it really does ruin the finish of your entire vehicle. So this is a great product to use. Now when you're deconning your vehicle, there's a couple of different things that you can use. You can use chemical decontamination, which means you use an iron particle remover or a tar remover, and you also use a clay bar. The clay bar is going to remove any type of bonded contaminants that are stuck in your paint. If your paint feels rough to the touch, even after you clean it or even after you wax it, then you need to use a clay bar to get rid of that rough feel. So their Luster Lube is an amazing lubricant. It can actually be used as a quick detailer as well. We're going to show you how to do that in the video. And their clay bar formula is also really unique. It's not like other clay bars. It's very fine and easy to use, and it comes in a huge tub here. Picking up a clay bar like this will last you a long time. And if you're interested in buying any of these products, then check out carguysupplies.com and pick up any of these products with 20% off with code Miranda20. So guys, let's show you how to use these products.
If you guys have a brand new car, you want to make sure to protect it and seal it. So here we have a Golf GTI. We start with a pre-rinse and degreasing of all the paint. Here we have a foam cannon and we foam the entire vehicle down and begin our wash process. Make sure to get all of those tight areas with a nice soft brush. After everything is cleaned, we give it a thorough rinsing. To make sure that the paint is cleaned thoroughly, we want to make sure to decontaminate, so we use Luster Lube and their clay bar. Even though the paint isn't too bad, it still picked up some bonded contaminants towards the bottom. This will help any wax or sealant bond to the paint. Here's a tip: store the clay bar in its container with a little bit of clay lube sprayed in there to keep the clay from drying out. Make sure to dry the paint thoroughly. If you have a blower, then make sure to blow out all the cracks and crevices as well. This just ensures that no water seeps out of those cracks and drips down the paint as you're trying to wax or seal your vehicle. Next, make sure to protect your plastic and rubber on the exterior. So use lithium trim serum and a nice foam applicator or microfiber applicator. Here's a tip: use a separate towel to clean off the glass or the paint where you may have applied some of the trim serum onto. It wipes off easily. If you're using a DA polisher, pick up some detailer's cord snaps. This ensures that the cord doesn't touch the paint but stays on your belt and over your shoulder. This is a must-have for mobile detailers. Begin by putting a couple of drops of Seal and Squeal on your soft foam pad. Make sure to thoroughly cover every square inch of your paintwork. After a couple of minutes, wipe off the residue with a soft microfiber towel. Don't forget to get all those small areas by hand. To clean up those door jambs, just use Luster Lube as a quick detailer and a soft microfiber towel. If you do have any smudging or residue left over on the paint, use Luster Lube as a quick detailer. Now your vehicle's paint and trim are clean, protected, and ready to go.
Guys, these Lithium products are amazing. I have to say that as a mobile detailer, I'm working out in the elements, and these products gave me no problem at all when it comes to application, removal, or anything like that. Now, with any type of paint care, if you're using a wax or a sealant, there are some that simply do not like sun. Now, this is actually pretty sun friendly. Of course, you don't want to let it just sit and bake on the panel. You want to remove it within about a minute or so, because that's when you get the best results. It removes quite easily. Now, if you do have any problems, depending on the paint system of your vehicle, because granted, some paints are a little bit finicker than others. If you're having trouble removing the wax or it's leaving kind of a greasy residue, then just use some of their luster lube as a quick detailer and a nice plush towel, and it will clean up any of those maybe light streaking or hazing or anything like that that might be left on the paint. And again, these products smell really nice. As far as the paint protectant and the trim serum, doesn't have much of a smell at all, but their luster lube is really, really nice. This stuff is a pleasure to use, smells great, doesn't leave any type of streaking behind, and I have to say, I love it. So definitely give this stuff a try. So guys, if you're interested in picking up these products, then check out carguysupplies.com and enter code Miranda20 for 20% off. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, like it, share with others who may enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe and click that bell. That way you get notifications each time our videos drop each week and you don't miss stuff. So we'll see you next time. Have a great week.